Hello, and welcome to the WHSS video series on steps to gaining housing. My name is Cassandra, and I am the WHSS case manager. Today, we are going to discuss why does your justice involvement matter when applying for housing? Okay, let's get into it. Justice involvement can be a major determining factor when it comes to the decision of your application. Most landlords will deny individuals that are sex offenders, have violent offenses, have offenses related to safety of others or property, and manufacturing, distributing drug-related offenses. This is most often the case with any subsidized rental. While some felonies may result in an automatic denial, there is still a chance to get approval. As with any justice involvement, you want to be able to explain your situation first, prior to the landlord coming up with their own based on what comes up on CCAP or a background check. It is a good idea to look yourself up first to see what comes up on CCAP and what is public information. Someone might share the same name as you, which a landlord could mistake for your record. Sharing your middle initial and date of birth will help with this. Another concern a landlord may have is if you have pending charges which could result in your incarceration. Think of it this way. If you were a landlord and saw a potential tenant had pending charges, would you want to know more? Some landlords may move on to the next applicant without giving you a second thought. But if you provide the information first about the pending offense, this could help sway the odds in your favor. Disclosing your background up front will help clear up any confusion when it comes to the situation and charges that may have been dismissed. It is also important to share if you are on probation or parole. You could even ask your probation agent to help write a reference letter to help support your approval odds. And depending on the severity of the offense and length of time that has passed, you may still be approved. Remember, if you are not telling your story yourself, the landlord is likely coming up with one on their own. Landlords want to make sure their property can be safe from damage. In addition, having a tenant that can be safe around others and not have justice involvement at their property. For example, if you are a tenant and have justice involvement on the property, this can be seen as a lease violation, which may result in an eviction. So, be honest, provide supporting evidence of change since the offense, such as having class certificates that you may have taken and providing character reference letters, and demonstrate financial responsibility and stability with employment and income verification. This can be done with an explaining negative information letter, also known as a letter of explanation. I know sometimes you may feel doubtful that you will not be approved, but there is still a chance. Explain your situation, and this will increase your factor of getting approved. Thank you for watching. We will see you at the next video.